mountain, my old friend, I've come to sing beneath ye again. For the echoes softly sleeping kept their promise in their keeping, and the song that was buried in my bones still intones within the sound of stone. I walked alone through halls of steel and broken stone, 'neath the lanterns faintly glowing, past the forges dimly showing, when my eyes were struck by the spark of a dying flame that spoke my name and sang the sound of stone. I saw 10,000 dwarves, maybe more, men who'd labored without resting, hands of iron never jesting, voices raised in songs that no one heard save the earth itself. It stirred and hummed the sound of stone. Like hammer strikes fell deep and lone, and echoed through the veins of stone. And the people bowed and prayed to the idols gold had made, and the walls breathed out their warning in the rhythm of the morning, and the stone said the songs of the fallen still remain, though their voices turned to grain, they whisper on within the sound of still hums within the sound of